1954 in France. He decided to settle in Seychelles in 1991 and has been working since then for the Seychelles government in the fields of culture and foreign affairs. He also keeps special interest in history, anthropology, tourism, education and environment. He has also published a number of novels and short stories, one of the books we also have. Ambassador Legal is an officer in the French Order of Arts, and this is only about a glimpse of his life's journey. For rest, please welcome the High Commissioner of Republic of Seychelles, Philippe Legal.
I would like to thank the Shrine of English and this director, Mr. Jitender Singh, for having invited me. I'm very happy to have this session with you. One of the first challenges when you study a new language is the accent. I don't know if you have already noticed, but the gentleman who introduced me said that I was born in France. So you will notice that I have a French accent, and I hope it will not be too difficult for you to understand me. I started my career as a journalist, then as a lecturer in French in the university in Thailand for 4 years. So I was used to speak slowly. And being French has advantage and disadvantage when speaking English, because English and French, you know, many words are similar. The pronunciation, of course, is different, but sometimes you are tempted to use a French word thinking that the meaning is the same in English.